2, 3. What's up guys, Maxine Pascual, and for today's video is a reacting video. So as you can see, I have a new background then. So actually temporary background, as long as nandito ako sa bahay ng lola ko, this would be my background. Yeah, so I'm going to react to James Reid's first single onto his first self-composed album, which is Palm Dreams. So the first single is Cool Down. So guys, I haven't watched the video, the music video. I haven't watched it. It was released on June 16, 2017 by Viva Records. So yeah, I haven't watched the video, but I have heard the single or the audio on Spotify. So I'm so excited with this. So without any further ado, let's just get started. Yeah, let's start. So
I just wish I had more
work.
Yeah.
Nice nung intro.
Yeah. I just wish I had more time.
Ooh, nice view. Ganda siya. Ganda nung kotse. I don't know what brand. What brand? Tama ba? Brand ba tawag pag kotse? So I don't know kung ano yan. Pero ang ganda. Para siyang hammer. Tapos kanina diba meron siyang bubong. Ngayon wala na. Ooh.
You know I've been working hard and later I gotta show it. But I've been thinking about you now, I don't wanna go. If I come pick you up, we'll get on round about 4. Baby, close the door, don't let us see what's going on. Lay back, take a sip, hold your breath, let's take a dip and just sink into the blue. Lay back, take a peek, where do you want me to kiss? Ain't nothing I'd rather do in the afternoon. Not much that I wanna do except you. I think I'm way too in love with you.
Diba?
Can we just live by the swimming pool now? Cause I need to cool down. Ooh,
ganda nung babae. Oh my
need to
god.
cool down. Ooh,
Same girl lang ba? Parang hindi.
need to cool down. Ooh,
Need to cool down.
need to cool down. Ooh, I need to cool down.
Uy, ang ganda nung dub. Sexy na babae. Sarap.
Baby, it's getting hot. I think we should take it inside. Liquor kicking in, I'm feeling about right. I cancel my work today just for my princess. Put her on my checklist. It's time to get down to business. Lay back, take a sip, hold your breath, let's take a dip and just sink into the blue. Lay back, take a pic, where do you want me to kiss? Ain't nothing I'd rather do in the afternoon. Not much that I wanna do except you. I think I'm way too in love with you. Can we just live by the swimming pool now? Cause I need to cool down. Ooh, I need to cool down. Ooh,
Sobrang
I
speechless
need to cool
sa
down.
video.
Ooh, I
Party,
need to cool
James Reid,
down.
always.
Ooh,
Bomb.
I need to cool down.
Ganda ng flares. Party pa more, man. Ooh, Lauren. Ooh, I'm a big fan of Lauren also. As always.
In the afternoon, not much that I wanna do except you.
done? Is it done already? Oh my god! Wow! 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 Oh my god! Wait! Ulit! Damn! Ba't nagawa nila din doon? Oh my god! Why is Nadine there? And the collarbone of Nadine, man. Collarbone of Nadine. Oh my god. So, yeah. The video is done. So there you go, guys. It's done. So the whole music video is dope. Like the scenery is so cool. Dun sa beach, dun sa falls, dun sa road trip, dun sa sakyan ginamit. Sobrang perfect moment, sabi ko nga kanina. And then dun sa last part, oh my god, why is Nadine there? Like, di ba nung bakit hindi si Nadine yung girl dun sa music video? Ba't hindi siya yung leading lady sa music video? But then again, it was bomb. It's a bomb. Akala ko kasi, then, I've come up with the idea na parang, si James kasi diba, he is a party goer. Before pa, he likes bitch, he likes party. Before pa si Nadine, ayun. But then again, syempre pag party yun, laging surrounded with pretty girls, with pretty sexy girls, models, actress, etc. But yeah, he's still with Nadine. He's faithful to Nadine even though he's not with Nadine that night or whatsoever. Still, diba, faithful boyfriend si James. So yeah, I'm a big fan of Jaylin, guys. If you don't know, so may this music video is so pretty dope. It's nice. Sobrang ganda. Perfect movie. So yes, guys, please, if you like this video, please give it a like, leave a comment below, share this post, share this video, turn on the post notification if you know. Subscribe to my channel if you like this video, if you like this kinds of videos, and yeah, comment down below if may suggestion kayo kung na gusto nyo mag-react ako dun sa video na yun or tingnan ko yung video na yun. So yeah,